What is going on, everybody? This is Andrew Gonzalez Jr. back at again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make $100 free PayPal money with just your iPhone device. So this is strictly for iOS devices at the moment. So if you got an iPhone, even an iPad, an iPod Touch laying around, this will work for you guys today. And also, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and click that little bell icon for more future videos just like this one today. So the name of this app is called iMoney. The purpose of this app is basically downloading other apps and staying on them for a few minutes, and then you get paid cash money, you guys. And in this case, it's going to be through PayPal. So this app that I'm currently in right now as we speak is a new task that this app just gave me. So basically, you got to complete the task, which is downloading the app and then going on the app, basically browsing it for a few minutes. And in this case, it's going to be 3 minutes tops. If you want to go over the 3 minutes, that's totally up to you. So basically, once everything's done, the 3 minutes is up, you can refresh the app, you can delete it for all I care, and then go back into the iMoney app and then see your reward climb, you guys. Alright, so once this app is complete and I've been on it for at least 3 minutes or longer, I can go back into the app and see if I get my reward, and I can get up to 25 cents. And I think with this app, I'm gonna get paid 23 cents. So these are all the multiple payments I got from iMoney. So we're gonna go ahead and click on a random payment. So I got one, actually a payout July 1st. As you can see there, all the details are there, my email address, everything, the name, iMoney. So go on ahead and download it. It's gonna be in the description below. Y'all take care, God bless, and don't forget to visit thehustlemastery.com for more freebies.